Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss subject software testing and quality assurance. This is the subject which is introduced in BE Computer first semester. Here is the teaching scheme. In teaching scheme you can observe that software testing and quality assurance is the elective subject, elective second. Software testing and quality assurance has allotted 3 lectures per week, and the marking scheme of software testing and quality assurance is for in SEM they have 30 marks, and for end SEM 70 marks are there. Total weightage for this subject is of 100 marks, and in credits 3 credits can be given to the students for this subject. STQA course outcome. On the completion of this course, student will be able to define and describe the fundamental concepts of software testing. In the software testing, student is going to understand the manual testing, automation testing, and the software quality assurance. Then second course outcome is design and develop project test plans. Student is also able to design the test cases, the test data, and conduct the test operations. The third course outcome for software testing and quality assurance is to describe fundamental concepts of automation testing. The fourth course outcome is to apply the Selenium automation tool. In this fourth outcome, we are going to study the Selenium automation tool for the software testing purpose. Then fifth is there, that is to understand the different approaches of quality management. In fifth course outcome, we are going to study the quality management and assurance, and for the same purpose we can apply the different quality standards to the software system. And the last course outcome for this software testing and quality assurance subject is to apply and analyze the effectiveness of software quality tools. These are the 6 course outcomes which are applicable for each and every unit of this subject. By studying each and every unit of this subject, we are going to achieve all these course outcomes in this subject. Let us discuss the course contents. In the course content of first unit, obviously the first unit, which is nothing but the introductory part of the software testing and quality assurance. In this we are going to discuss the introduction, then we are going to discuss the total quality management, which is also known as TQM. We are also going to discuss the different problem solving techniques. In the same, we are going to discuss the software quality, how we can maintain the software quality. In that we are going to discuss the introduction to the software quality, different constraints of software product quality assessment, and the related things. Then we are also going to discuss the software development process. In the software development process, we are going to discuss type of products, criticality definitions, problematic area of software development life cycle, software quality management. All these different topics are going to be discussed in the first unit of STQA subject. The hours that are allotted to complete this introduction unit is 7 hours. We just have to complete this topic or this chapter, this unit, within the span of 7 hours. Then unit 2. In unit 2 we are going to discuss the test planning and management. For test planning and management, we have allotted 5 hours. We just have to complete this unit 2 in the span of 5 hours. Within this span of 5 hours, we are going to discuss the review of fundamental of software testing. Means in this chapter we are going to discuss the fundamentals of software testings. In that we are also going to discuss testing during the development life cycle, requirement traceability, essentials and workbench. We are also going to discuss the important feature of testing process. We are going to carry out the different testing processes. That different testing processes have different features that we are going to discuss within this same chapter. Then we are also going to discuss the test team approach, different approaches that can be applied while executing the test planning and management. Those test team approaches, process problem faced, cost aspect, establishing the testing policy, different methods, structured approach, categories of defect, error, mistakes in software. All this part can be covered within this unit. Then one more thing that we are going to study in this second unit is developing the test strategies and plan. In this, different testing processes, attitude towards the testing, different approaches and the challenges of test planning, test strategies and management. One more topic that we are going to discuss is raising management awareness of testing. Skills required by the testers to raise the management awareness for testing, and skills required by testers is also going to be discussed under this second unit named test planning and management. Then the third unit is software test automation. In this third unit, software test automation, we have been given 6 hours. We just have to complete this unit 3 within the span of 6 hours, and the topic that we are going to cover are what is test automation, different terms that are used in test automations, skills needed for automation, the different scope of automations. We are also going to discuss the design and architecture of automation, then process model for automation and selecting text tool. Then automation for XP and agile model, challenges in automation and data driven testing. We are also going to discuss the automation tools like JUnit and JMeter within this unit 3. Then next is there, that is unit number 4. The unit number 4 is solely depending on the Selenium tool, the tool that is used for the testing purpose in an software industries. We can complete this unit 4 within the 6 hours span. In this unit we are going to study the everything about the Selenium tool which is used for the testing purpose. The topics are given below. The first topic that we are going to cover is introduction related to the Selenium, then brief history of the Selenium project, then Selenium tool suite. We are also going to discuss the tool suite of Selenium, then Selenium IDE. We are also going to discuss what is Selenium RC, then Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Grid and test design consideration. So this is the content of your unit 4. Then next topic is there, that is quality management. In unit 5 we are going to discuss the concepts related to the quality management. The hours or the span that has been allotted to complete this unit is nothing but 6 hours. In this 5th unit we are going to discuss the quality concept. In quality concept, different quality softwares, software quality dilemma, achieving the software quality, different things we are going to discuss. Then we are also going to discuss the software quality assurance in this unit. In this unit, we are also going to discuss the elements of this software quality assurance. Then it is also, software quality assurance is also abbreviated as SQA. SQA task, then goals and metrics, then formal approaches for the software quality assurance, statistical software quality assurance, then Six Sigma for software engineering, and the ISO 9000 quality standard. And also in this same chapter we are going to discuss the SQA plan. The sixth unit, the unit number 6 is software quality tools. The number of hours has been given to complete this sixth unit is 6 hours, and the topic that we are going to discuss in this sixth unit is total quality management, product quality matrices, in process quality matrices, then software maintenance. We are going to discuss some tools that can be used for software quality assurance or software quality maintenance, that is nothing but Ishikawa 7. Then checklist. We are also going to study the Pareto diagrams, histograms, run chart, scatter diagram, control chart. These are the different diagrams, or we can say different concept that can be used to achieve the software quality that we are going to discuss in this sixth unit. Then one more topic that we are going to discuss in this same chapter or in the same unit is defect removal effectiveness and the manual maturity level. So these are the different concepts that we will study under this unit 6 to understand the software quality tool. Then next is the different books that can be referred to learn this subject, that is software testing and quality assurance. The first textbook is by M.G. Limaye. The name is Software Testing Principle and Techniques and Tools. It is by Tata McGraw-Hill. Then one can use Software Testing Principles and Practices, which is written by Srinivasan Desikan and Gopal Swami Ramesh. Then we are also having some references like Software Testing Principle and Practices by Naresh Chauhan, and we can also use Matrices and Model in Software Quality Engineering by Stephen Kahn. So these are the textbooks and the reference books that can be referred to study the software quality, software testing and quality assurance. I hope you have understood the basic subject introduction. From next lecture we will start with our first unit. Till then, thank you.